have to translate the equation. We are told that carbon monoxide, so carbon and oxide, that's one carbon, and mono means one oxide, reacts with, so plus, oxygen gas, which is a diatomic, so it gets a 2, and it's going to produce carbon dioxide, which is CO2. Now we need to balance the equation. One carbon on both sides, but there's 1, 2, 3 oxygens on the left and 2 oxygens on the right. Because the oxygens are split in 2 different locations on the left-hand side, it's easier to place a 2 here, which will give us an even number. 2 plus 2 is 4 oxygens on the left. So now we can do 2 times 2 is 4 oxygens on the right. This gives us now 2 carbons on the left, but it's already balanced with 2 carbons on the right. Okay, we are given another piece of key information. At the end of the problem, we're told the density of the carbon monoxide. And the density is 1.137 grams for every 1 liter of carbon monoxide. And so that's an equality. 1.137 grams is equal to every 1 liter of volume of carbon monoxide. We are told that there are 312.0 liters of carbon monoxide, and we are asked to solve for the amount of grams of carbon dioxide produced in the reaction. And so we will stoich from here to here. We'll take 312.0 liters of carbon monoxide, put it over 1. For every, we'll bring down liters of carbon monoxide, and we can go to grams using the density. For every 1 liter of carbon monoxide, there are 1.137 grams of carbon monoxide. Now I can go to the periodic table and get the grams of carbon monoxide by adding the grams of carbon and oxygen, which is going to give me 28.01, and that's equal to 1 mole of carbon monoxide. I can now do my mole-to-mole ratio between carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. It's a 2:2 ratio. And finally, I can bring down 1 mole of carbon dioxide, and I can go to the periodic table and add up the mass. 12.01 for carbon plus 16 times 2 for oxygen gives me 44.01 grams of carbon dioxide. Now we can calculate this answer. We'll type in 312.0 times 1.137 divided by 28.01 times 2 divided by 2 cancel each other out, and then times 44.01 equals, we get 557.4 grams of carbon dioxide, which is letter C.